Here we'll be covering a very specific differentiation rule called the chain rule. The important part about any rule is being able to recognize when to use it. So recognition for the chain rule is when you have a function of x to a power that isn't 1, where that function of x is always made up of at least 2 terms. For example, if we take y is equal to 2x plus 7 to the power of 5, well, we can see that 2x plus 7, here we have 2 separate terms, 2x and 7, and it's to a power that is not equal to 1. So whenever we have a case like this, we need to use the chain rule to make it easier to differentiate, as we can see that simplifying this expression and multiplying out the brackets is very inconvenient. So the first thing we do is we call our function within the brackets u. So we have u is equal to 2x plus 7, which means we can rewrite y as y is equal to u to the power of 5. And now we differentiate both of our equations separately. So the first equation, we have dy by du, because we'll be differentiating with respect to u, is 5u to the power of 4. And our second equation, we would differentiate u with respect to x, as u is a function of x, which would just become 2. Now, dy, du, and du by dx, the only way that we can use both of these to form dy by dx, which is what we want, is if we multiply them, because we get dy by du times du by dx, where the du's in the numerator and the denominator cancel each other out, and what we're left with is dy over dx. So we need to multiply what we have. So dy by du is 5u to the power of 4, and du by dx is 2. So dy by dx will be 5u to the power of 4 times 2, which is 10u to the power of 4. Now the last thing we need to do is substitute u back into the expression. So we called u 2x plus 7. So we substitute 2x plus 7 into u. So this becomes 10 2x plus 7 to the power of 4. And that is our final answer. Once you get more comfortable with using the chain rule and more comfortable with differentiation, you'll want to find a much quicker way of using the chain rule. This is because the chain rule is used in other different types of differentiation, so you want to make your calculations as efficient as possible. So we'll go over a quicker way of using the chain rule for the same example that we considered before. So we have y is equal to 2x plus 7 to the power of 5. So the first thing you do, just like regular differentiation, is we multiply the function with the power and we subtract 1 from the power. So dy by dx is equal to 5 times 2x plus 7 to the power of 4. So just like regular differentiation, we multiply by the power and subtract 1 from that power. Now, the last thing we need to do is multiply this entire expression with the differential of our function in the bracket. So the differential of 2x plus 7 is, so if we differentiate this, we get 2. So we need to multiply this entire expression by 2. And that simplifies to 10 2x plus 7 to the power of 4. And that is exactly what we had before.